Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, your favorite place for hauls, home decor, and all things homemaking. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome, and for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. Now, this is the month of love, and of course, I am so blessed to have my first video sponsored by an awesome company named Cake and Create that I will share all the details with throughout this video, so make sure you stay tuned. I wanted to share with you guys what I decided to do with my little one for Valentine's, because it is the month of love. And although I tell her all the time that I love her and I show her with small trinkets here and there, I wanted to share with you guys my little surprise I had for her and a special evening that we had planned. So if you're interested in seeing what we did for Valentine's Day, stay tuned.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me?
When I was growing up, I did not always have a Valentine, but I do remember that every single year, without fail, my mom was always my Valentine. And as corny as that may sound to some people, for me, I feel like that's a very strong memory for me. Every single Valentine's, I could guarantee that my mother would give me some small token to let me know how much she loved me. And even to this day, every single Valentine, she always sends me a card, and I love that. And it's just an outpour of love that I really feel that never gets old for me. And of course, if my mom's done that for me, I want to pass that down to the next generation. And so I decided to have a fun love evening with my little one. And again, I tell her I love her all the time. Even if she makes mistakes, she knows that mommy still loves her, because I don't only assume it, I tell her. But I wanted to make sure I did something a little extra special for her so that she can really feel the love during the love month. So the first thing I did was I did some shopping, and you know, any excuse for mama to do some shopping, sign me up, child, because I just love it. But I decided to go to the dollar store, and I wanted to share with you guys, you know, when you're doing a small token for your child, you can take $4, go to the dollar store, especially for kids that are around my daughter's age. My daughter is 6. It is the most simplest things that will make them so happy. Run into the craft aisle, check out what they have there. Sometimes just some paints and some pieces of some coloring books, or they usually have a Valentine's aisle, especially in my dollar store. They have a Valentine's aisle, and they have stickers and pencils and special crayons, cartoon themed items, whether it be like a bonnet that might have like all these different cartoons on it, or it might be some sort of color sheet or sticker sheet that might be Minnie Mouse but Valentine's themed. These kids will love it. So take $3 or $4, buy them 3 or 4 things, spend an extra $1 on a Valentine's Day bag, and there you go. And they will be so happy. And that memory will stick with them, because as I said, the memory of my mom buying me a rose or some flowers or a mug or chocolate, it stuck with me, and she did it for me every single year, and that's something that I want to pass on. So I went to the dollar store, I got a few items there. I also went to Bath and Body Works. Peyton loves the good smelling items, and even though she's only 6 years old, we do have a special skincare regimen, if you will, and she loves when she comes out the shower, she lotions herself up. And so I bought her a new line of smell goods. I got her some perfume, some body wash, and some body lotion. And again, this is just a little something extra. Does she need it? No, but I know that she loves to smell good. She always says, Mommy, can you put on some perfume? I want to smell good like you do. So I felt like this was a really nice time to replenish some of her smell goods. So I did head over to Bath and Body Works. I also did something super special. I am excited to share this sponsorship with Cake and Create. Now, Cake and Create is a DIY cupcake or cake kit, and it is just such an amazing idea, and I'm so excited to partner with this company because it's an opportunity for your children to think outside of the box. Especially with quarantine and with everything that's going on, we have kids that feel that they're not able, and this is reality, right? This is our current reality. They cannot go outside and play with their friends as often as they did. For those that may have siblings, I mean, it gets a little bit tiring after a while playing with your brother or sister, but you know, if you're just playing with video games or you're watching Netflix, how about you do something that takes them away from the technology and gives them an opportunity to have no rules and just be able to decorate this cake or this cupcake in any way they would like. What I love about Cake and Create is if you take a look at the box, they have the pink, the white, the red frosting that comes in the piping bag all ready and set to go. The cupcakes that I got are already baked, so you don't have to worry about messing up your kitchen with that. As you can see, I just laid out a brown paper bag. I cut it up, laid it out nice and flat, and I let Peyton do whatever she wanted. I just cut the little piping bag for her, and she was able to put as much or as little frosting as she wanted. And this literally is an all-inclusive activity. You don't need anything but that brown paper bag, and that's only a suggestion unless you want to do it somewhere else where you don't mind if there's a mess. But it came with even the tongue compressors, which you could use as a spatula. It came with the sprinkles. I mean, what a beautiful idea, and it gives kids an opportunity to just have fun. Now, in my head, for this, we did it for Valentine's. It was just my daughter and I. We were having a Valentine's evening, a love evening of sorts, but outside of Valentine's, I mean, I think this would be great if you were doing a birthday party and you wanted to have the kids have a fun activity. This would be fantastic. If you were having perhaps some family over and you know there's going to be 6 or 7 kids and you want to have them have something to do and then they can also eat it afterwards, this is the awesome idea for them. I was able to get the perfect package that gave my daughter the best experience. And what I love about it is her reaction. As you can see here when she's tasting it, I mean, she absolutely loved the cupcakes. So this is a win-win. And I have to tell you, I had a taste of the cupcake as well. It was so good that when my daughter went to sleep, I stole another one. And then this morning I was just like, oh, I guess we ate like 3 cupcakes last night. No, we only ate 2, but Mommy ate the 3rd one. So there's 1 more left for you after school. Hopefully it'll be there after school. I can't make any promises. But the point is, check out the description box because this is the company for you. Yeah. Stay right here. Turn around. Turn around. And pull it down. You're welcome. You like it?
Yes, I do. Wow, we get to create. Mommy, I always wanted these.
Really?
Yes, I did.
Good. Well, I'm glad you got them, Mama. So you ready to have some fun with those cupcakes?
Yes, I am. Hi, guys. I'm doing this decorating with these cupcakes. They look delicious. Look.
Thank you guys so much for staying with us until the end. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know, what are your plans for Valentine's weekend? Are you doing anything special with the kids or with your loved one? Also, don't forget to head on over to Cake and Create. Their website is up. You will be able to place an order. At this time, they are not shipping, but rumor has it it's coming pretty soon. And I thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Cake and Create. Don't forget to head on over to Instagram and Facebook, support us there. And we have an awesome challenge coming up in the month of March, so make sure you're following us on Instagram to get all of the details. Again, we love you so much for watching. Until next time.